So this is from a web browser book. But if we use a Postman book, you can get some other information. For example, headers, status, and the body response. So for sending some method information instead of only this body, also use the response entity wrapper for this. For example, we can send the response entity, and wrap it this book entity, and send this book entity in a body of response entity, in body look like this, and instead of body let's delete generic response entity, status, yes, and you can stay the HTTP status 20 or use some other status, for example accepted HTTP status code status dot and this accepted. If we open this accepted implementation of the HTTP status class, you can see that this is 202. OK, this is 200, and this is more specialized accepted. Okay, and also you can send some header of this book, for example, genre of this book by key value. Genre, this is fantasy, for example. In a JSON file separated by colon, in a header key and value separated by comma, genre, fantasy, and this book. Okay, let's restart our web server and open Postman and send this book response request. Library REST book. Yes. And you see 202 accepted. We change the status on accepted, this accepted status, and also we can open other information, for example headers. We see the genre is a fantasy, and other system headers, we edit genre. We can add to header, for example, the programmer's name, any information. Programmer's name is Aslan. This is my name, I'm Aslan, and let's restart our application. And after restarting, we can send our GET request again. Send it. And we can see the programmer's name, new header, programmer's name, and Aslan. You can attach any information in our object genre, fantasy, and also body. Of course, body, this is the main body, book entity, and this book inside this body in JSON format. So good job, and see you in the next lesson.